State, Bihar. Active, 2,233 and cured, 7,946. Deaths, 70. Total cases, 10,249. State, Delhi. Active, 27,007 and cured, 59,992. Deaths, 2,803. Total cases, 89,802. State, Uttar Pradesh. Active, 6,709 and cured, 16,629. Deaths, 718. Total cases, 24,056.